Hello, second grade students. Welcome to our reading comprehension session. So I hope you have listened to The Recess Queen, because you'll need to make sure you have watched the video link to The Recess Queen before you've done this, just so you have a background of the story. And if you have, here we go. We're going to start comparing and contrasting. When we compare and contrast, we find the difference between each character, and then in the middle of the circles where they come together is where we find things that are the same, that both characters share the same type of qualities, okay? So it could be the setting, personal traits. We're also looking at their physical features too. Okay, so we have me and Jean on the left right here, and we have Katie Sue. So, first thing that I think of, they're both girls on the playground, and they're on the playground at the school. A lot of the setting takes place at the school. So these are just like the main topic of ideas that we're thinking of. So they're not full sentences, and because of that, I'm going to put a dot in front of them. Those dots are called bullets. So they're just like the main points of the story, and I'm not going to be putting them in a complete sentence or anything. So right now we have the characters are both girls. The setting takes place at the playground and the school. And there's students also at the school. Mean Jean, just like in her name, her character, she was mean. And I would also put bully. Now we talk about bullies in school, and we don't like bullies because they always demand things of people even though they don't want to. So we're going to put demanding. Okay, so you have these bullets, and we're just putting one word for our main thoughts. When people are demanding, they like to tell you what to do. So that's how Mean Jean was. Okay, let's go back to Katie Sue on the right-hand side, and we'll put some of her character traits, which she was nice, opposite of mean. We could say Katie Sue was confident. This is kind of a bigger word. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T. So she was confident within herself. So she was probably encouraged by her family, her teachers, her friends, to not let people boss her around. So she was confident in saying, I'm going to swing, and no one's not going to say I can't swing because this playground is for everyone. She shared with others. And then one thing I'm going to point out, like in their physical characteristics, is Mean Gene had black hair. So if we're trying to remember their characters from the story, and Katie Sue had red hair. And then at the very end, they became friends, so they learned to work together and get along on the playground, and they became friends. So these are some of the main ideas of how we compared each character, the differences, and then the likes. So I know you may have more time, so you may need more time to write these down. So just pause your video, and it should be able to stop, and you can have time to copy these words down. Okay? Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. We'll see you later.